恭喜發財. Gung hei fa choy. Gong hei means congratulations, and fa choy means prosperity, wealth. With Chinese or Lunar New Year approaching, you'll often hear this phrase. It almost becomes a greeting during the New Year as well as good wishes. When you see family or friends, you can say Gong hei fa choy. Gong hei fa choy. In order to prepare for the new year, there are also a few main things that are done. First, zap ye, zap ye, zap ye, cleaning or tidying up the house. Zap means pick up, and ye means things. Zap ye also implies cleaning, but to really deep clean, we say tingit, which means to clear, clean, or sanitize. Tingit, tingit. Next, Bai Sun. Bai Sun. Pray. Bai means worship or pray, and Sun means God. Whether or not this is practiced varies from person to person, but within the Cantonese community, there's a number of people who are Buddhist. So before the start of the new year and then on day one usually, but if not throughout the 15-day celebration, people will go to the temple and pray for good luck and just a good year overall. Then, shopping, hangai, 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 and ye. Both of these mean shopping. Hangai, however, implies shopping, but the direct translation is walk, street. Walk is hang, and gai is street. With a new year ahead, we like to buy some new clothes, new shoes, new bag. It's a way to start fresh in the new year. And then, as mentioned earlier, ye also means shopping. Mai means buy, and ye means thing. Just like when we talked about tidying up, zap ye is also used here. Well, I wish you all a happy new year. Sunlin Phi Lok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.